Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberwar. Today we're doing another episode in our Cybersecurity for Beginners course. Let me show you where we were. So we did bunch of stuff. Let's look at episodes we have so far. So we have 3 pilot episodes on what the course will be like, basically. And then we already have 6 episodes in. We are using this rough sketch. So we installed Virtualbox, VMware, the browsers, POTI, and it's not here, but we did a video on how to connect through a SOX proxy. We also installed the Burp Suite here in the tools applications. And now it's time to install Ubuntu. So I downloaded it from here, version 2204. And now we're going to go to VirtualBox and 1 second, let me set it up because I'm filming the browser right now. Right, so this is VirtualBox and you just click new. And this is what you see. So let's call this Ubuntu YouTube. And I've already downloaded it. 1 second, please. Right, so in this, you make sure you have the latest version of VirtualBox because they have this unattended install. So yeah, let's call the username AA, password. Okay, it's called change me. We will maybe change it. I don't really care. Hardware. Okay. Okay, that's a bit too much. You can try with less, but let's go with 8 something. And 2 processors. Hard drive 25 is not enough. Let's go with 100. All right. Okay, sorry. That was my my streaming, my video tool OBS. I had to move windows around. So it's being installed. I'm not gonna edit this. So you see what I'm seeing. I'll let you know if I pause it for a while. So just to discuss a bit before we, while this is loading. Basically, you need a Linux box if you want to be, how to say, efficient in cybersecurity. It's not that it's impossible without it, but a lot of the tools are, if not exclusive to Linux, the new stuff, the updates and everything are on Linux. So you can definitely do this with Windows or with Mac. Yeah, sure, because it's compatible. But I mean, a Linux, a Unix-based system is one of the things you need. I don't run it bare metal. I just like this virtualization economy, let's say, because it's easy. You just have the same stuff, and you just can run the same tools. And if you have your own scripts, you start the machine somewhere, and you know that it starts and it behaves as you're used to, your aliases, and yeah. Why Ubuntu and not Kali? Uh, I guess it's just a personal preference. I could go with Kali, I suppose, but with Kali, it's too much tooling in my for my taste. I list for some of the things, not specifically penetration testing oriented. For some of the things you do, it's a bit too much, and it's a certain how to say. Let's say it helps if you can control and you install some of the tools yourself, okay, because you get to know how they work and all that. All right, I'm gonna pause this in the end because it's taking its sweet time. Or actually not pause it. I'm gonna mute it and maybe I'll fast forward it, or I'll have to edit it. Oh no, I'm not gonna edit it. I'm gonna pause it and continue when it's done installing. All right, so this is done installing. It took a few minutes. Let's wait for it to boot. All right, so here we are. I'm supposed to change this password, but not today. And this is a fresh install of Ubuntu 22 on Virtualbox. And Virtualbox is installed on Windows. Oh, no, I'm not connecting any. No, no, no. They have their own Play Store, which is okay, I guess. We're not gonna use it too much, but there we are. So this is about it. The video is already 10 minutes in. Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna, it comes already with Firefox installed. Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna look at how to get an IP from the cloud for Firefox. Here, shocking, it's the same as we did the other. I mean on Windows. Yeah, that's about it. All right. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice day.